Howdy folks, long time no see. Behind me I've got, it's like a flat pack crawler course. This was sent to me back in summertime, but I ended up with loads of issues with my laptop breaking and stuff, and I lost everything, and then that just killed my mojo. I've actually come onto my allotment here. Seemed a more practical place, although this can be used indoors or outdoors or wherever the heck you want to use it. I will put this link in the description down below because it is very hard to find, but this was sent to me from an Amazon seller, Rcrabbit, and they sent me not one but two rope bridges, and here is the Teeter Totter, the seesaw. Now, can't really see that yet, we do have to build it, and it states the bridges are for 124, 110 scale crawlers. So we have a 124 and a 110 scale crawler, and the bridge, the seesaw, the Teeter Totter is 124, 118, 116 and 112, not 110. As I said, got the little SCX 24 and an SCX 10.3. So all we can do is build it and see. So yeah, I will drop the links to those down below, and you can just click your way to them should you want to purchase one or have another look at them and get all the information on what it actually is. Also, like the video, subscribe. So I've just laid the bridge out on my bench. This is the rope bridge. As you can see, it's quite big. There's a 124 on there, so it makes that look really small. You get an instruction manual, some screws and some additional string, because apparently you can join two of these together, make it longer. There we go, joining the two. I'm just trying to get back into the rhythm of things, it's been a while. So you will need a Phillips screwdriver, one of them isn't included, and those are if you want to double them up. So we'll have a look at that and have a look at getting that attached to that one. Yeah, that is the rope bridge so far. So now we'll have a quick look see at this seesaw, Teeter Totter. So the seesaw, these are like all the little bits for it. All the woods and stuff, they're all numbered, make it a little bit easier for you. Got like a little start and finish point there, and Teeter Totter with blocks. Right, there is some additional blocks here, so probably to make it a little more challenging. There's the manual. It's all pretty self-explanatory and easy to understand. So I'm going to go ahead now and get this built up. Can even make your own flags. So as I said, I'm not going to show you how to build this, but I'm just showing you how easy and self-explanatory it is. Number one being number one and number one, and you can pretty much just match up the picture anyway, so dead easy. So this has all gone together proper nice and smooth. There is the actual seesaw, so now it's just adding the final piece, and these basically just slot through the holes and hold the bridge in place like so. And as you can see, you got the three levels, so the bottom not being as steep, and then a little bit steeper, and then even more steep. And also these blocks, they do come with some sticky pads, so you can stick them wherever on there, so you can get some extra obstacles on the way up. Flags, so you can personalise those. It shows you with some little measurements on there for the size to make your own flags. Not rocket science, some might say it is. Now before I do start this, I can see there being some traction issues between the tyres and the wood, mainly because the wood is so smooth, there's no grip to it. So we'll see how it goes on the highest setting, but I have a feeling that we might need to like run some glue on there and add some little bits of grip. There's the little Jeep approaching. Just line those wheels and tyres up there. And wee! Yes! It's doing it! A bit straight between there. Woo! Oh, absolutely wicked. So that aced that, no problem. One more time on the medium setting. Obviously if it's doing the medium, it's going to do the easy. Oh. Must have been a bit of beginner's luck. Come on. Whee! Awesome. Let's just jack this up to the highest point. See, it just pins in place. So as you can see now, it is much steeper. My little girl's gonna love this when she gets her SCX24 on it. I might never see it again. Come on, little Jeep. Yeah. Oh. Lots of wheel spin. Look at this nice clean wood. It's mooky. Go on. Go on. Oh. I did expect this to be a bit of an issue. And we are getting wet, muddy tyres now, so... Go on. Oh. No one saw that, right? Yeah, as you can see, look, unless we're a million mile an hour it, look. Yes! As expected, it is going to need a little bit of grit or something, but the seesaw for the 24th scale stuff, it's awesome. Goes together real nice. Probably take it places wherever you like. It's pretty portable. It's not the biggest thing in the world, but yeah, it looks a lot of fun. So no, you're not getting a 10th scale vehicle on there. Me personally, I'm happy with it as it is for the 24th scale stuff. I have all the obstacles in the woods just over there, so I can kill hours and hours of fun doing this. But yeah, for the 24th stuff, it's fun. So the Rcrabbit rope bridge, you see, Rcrabbit. I just chucked a couple of stakes in there and nailed it in. Like I said, comes with some attachment thing where I can double this up. So I'll put some more stakes in a minute, and we can double them up and see how it goes that way, just to show you guys. So here we are at the rope bridge. In. This is not as easy as it looks. It's quite a challenge. Come on. Right, I'm going to try dead centre there, because the centre ropes here look to be the exact wheelbase of the actual Jeep. So there we go, just hold that bit on the rope. Come on, come on. Yay! Alright, so we made it across. Now for the 10.3. This is a 10th scale Jeep, and this shouldn't really have any issues. It does say that these are designed for 10th scale also. So, oh, I'll find some longer nails. I need some longer nails in there. So using the nails provided, should have actually built something to run it off, shouldn't I? And even 24 scale, you could get a couple of yous going along, which would make it a challenge. So, to attach the two bridges, you get these plug things. And what we're going to do is take one end of the bridge and thread the rope through. Take the other end of the bridge and thread that through in the opposite direction, like so. Then we can pull those together, tighten that up. We've got that looped on, and we're going to pull those together, clamp the little nuts up on there, put some knots in just to hold it secure. And same on the other side. Repeat that for this bit here. So now you can see how it's doubled up in the middle. Not quite as clean as it was. So there we go, both bridges, and just tacked them up to the table for the minute. Woo. Just add a brick on the table. It is a very heavy truck. Let's try that one again. The whole truck is on the bridge now. Nothing touching the ground. And there you can see where we've joined it together using these little clamps. Through the nails and across the line. I'll do some more videos with this in the future. Get a little competition going between a few friends up here when the weather gets nicer. Barbecue, crawling. Here we go. Now remember, I had to keep the line central with the 24. That's like your 24th scale wheelbase, and the outer edges are more your 10th scale wheelbase. We'll get that on there. Lovely stuff. Now, I might need to bring these closer together slightly just to close that gap. But might be able to just you can just keep one set of wheels front and rear on that bit of rope there. It should just be fine. Oh, go on, go on. Right, now we've kind of got to get centre again up here. Now remember, with no grit or grip on the seesaw, the little 24 can't do it with these tyres, but the wood is all smooth and it's getting nice and mucky now, so that might just give a little bit of grip, but we are just on level 2 there. Go! Come on! Come on, come on. Just a little, you didn't see that. There we go. And across the line and off the edge. It's definitely going to be a blast. I'm just going to stay and play for a bit wrap the video up there. That's basically it. It's a rope bridge, and if you get 2 of them, you can double them up like that, or even if you got 3, 4, 5. I will leave the links in the description for where you can buy these from. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Catch you all in the next one. Ciao for now, guys.